Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial this is a Resman Property Management Software tutorial, and in this video I will guide you through the key features and how to navigate the platform effectively. So whether you are a property manager, an owner, or a leasing agent, this tutorial will help you streamline operations and manage properties with ease. So to begin with, head over to the Resman website and log in with your credentials there. And if you don't have an account, guys, you may need to contact your administrator to get set up. And if you are new here, guys, you can have a demo here. You can request a demo here. You just need to tap on the yellow button, or depending on it, if you have the orange button, which is request a demo. So once you log in, guys, you will see the dashboard, which provides an overview of your portfolio, recent activity, and then the key performance indicators. And there, you can customize the widgets to prioritize the data that matters most to you. So in managing the properties, guys, to view and manage your properties, you just need to go navigate to the Properties tab, and here you can add new properties, update existing ones, and access detailed reports. So click on a property to see occupancy rates, lease details, and maintenance requests. So on leasing and tenant management, so the leasing here, guys, is a section that allows you to manage rental applications, track lease expirations, and send renewal reminders. And then here you can also integrate with the third-party marketing platforms to list available units online here. So under the Residents tab, guys, you will find the tenant details or the payment histories and then the communication logs. So you can also send notices and schedule reminders directly from this website. So on the maintenance request, so for the maintenance request, guys, you just need to head to the work orders tab. Here, you can track service requests, assign them to the vendors, and monitor their status until completion. So here, this website also simplifies financial management. So under the accounting, guys, you can process rent payments, track expenses, and generate financial reports. So you can also integrate with the QuickBooks for seamless bookkeeping. So here, to monitor your property's performance, they have here their reports and analytics. So navigate to the reports section. Here, you can generate occupancy reports and financial statements to stay on top of your business. So they also have here their settings and customization. So under the settings, guys, you can customize user roles, set permissions, and configure notifications to suit your workflow. And that's a quick overview of this website, the Resman Property Management Software. So with its powerful features, you can efficiently manage properties, tenants, and finances all in one place. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!